New at noon, the three men charged with murdering Ahmaud Arbery entering pleas of not guilty to new charges in the case. We have the father and son, Travis McMichael, Gregory and Travis McMichael, and William Roddy Bryant, their neighbor, facing multiple charges, including felony murder and malice murder in connection with Arbery's death in Brunswick, Georgia, back in February. Last month, a Chatham County grand jury indicted each of the men on 9 charges. Arbery's father, sister, and friends all at the courthouse for today's hearing. Following this morning's arraignment and motion hearing, the judge then heard 3 motions. So this is the motion hearing here, including a request to remove the Cobb County District Attorney, calling it an illegal appointment. The DA's office challenged that motion.
In this case, it appears that Mr. Bryan didn't like Mr. Durden's choice. Oh, well, he could have done this, he could have done that. He could have gone ahead and brought in somebody else or asked for something else. That's not the defendant's choice. He doesn't get to tell the district attorney how to run his or her office.
It would be helpful to know what exactly.
Ward denied that motion late this morning. Bryan's other motions include an amended one for bail, relief from statements made about him in the media, including calling him a racist. The judge is still going over those motions right now. When the case is ready for trial, 3 of the men, all of them, will be tried together. No date has been scheduled just yet.